How to get rid of the smell of spray paint, detailed guide. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional painter, dealing with the strong smell of spray paint can be frustrating and unpleasant. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll be sharing some effective tips and techniques on how to get rid of the smell of spray paint. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to that pesky spray paint smell, keep watching. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that paint smell. Get rid of it! Ventilate the area. Open all the windows and doors in the area to allow fresh air to circulate. This will help dissipate the fumes and reduce the concentration of the paint smell in the room. If you have any fans or air purifiers, it's a good idea to turn them on to help improve ventilation. The fans will help move the air around the room, while air purifiers can filter out some of the chemical particles from the air. If you're using an air purifier, place it in the center of the area to maximize its effectiveness. Bear in mind that some air purifiers are more effective than others at removing paint smells from the air. We recommend you go for models with activated carbon filters. It's important to leave the room for a while to let the fresh air circulate and reduce the concentration of the paint fumes. Check after some time if the smell is reduced or eliminated. If the smell lingers, ensure that the area remains well ventilated, then do this next step. Clean surfaces with soapy water. This will help reduce the concentration of the paint smell in the room. Don't do this until the paint is completely dry. Cleaning freshly painted surfaces can cause the paint to peel off. To get started, mix warm water and dish soap in a bucket or bowl. You don't need too much soap, just a small amount should do. Dip a sponge or cloth into the soapy water and wring it out. You want the sponge or cloth to be damp, but not dripping wet. Wipe down any surfaces that have been painted with soapy water. Focus on areas where the paint smell is most concentrated. After that, rinse the sponge or cloth with clean water and wipe down the surfaces again to remove any soap residue. Finally, dry the surfaces with a towel or cloth. You can try this next if you still smell the spray paint smell. Use baking soda and vinegar. Mix equal parts baking soda and white vinegar in a bowl. You can use any type of vinegar, but white vinegar is a great choice for cleaning. Stir the mixture until it forms a thick paste. You may need to add more baking soda or vinegar to get the right consistency. Apply the paste to any surfaces that have been painted. Be sure to apply enough paste to cover the entire surface. Allow the paste to sit on the surface for several hours. This will give the baking soda and vinegar time to break down the paint smell. Use a damp cloth to wipe away the paste. Be sure to wipe away any excess paste. Rinse the surface with water to remove any remaining paste and dry it with a towel. Bear in mind that this mixture can be quite powerful. So, we recommend you confirm that it is safe for the surface you're cleaning by testing it on a small, inconspicuous area first. In addition, don't use this mixture on surfaces that are easily scratched or damaged, such as marble or granite. Here's another option you can also try. Use citrus-based cleaners. Citrus-based cleaners contain natural citrus extracts or oils that help break down the paint smell. Some citrus-based cleaners may not be suitable for all surfaces. Therefore, ensure you read the label of the cleaner before using it. Furthermore, test it on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it won't damage the surface. Spray the cleaner directly onto any painted surfaces in the room. Be sure to spray enough to cover the entire surface. Let the cleaner sit on the surface for a few minutes. This will allow the citrus extracts or oils to work their magic and break down the paint smell. Use a damp cloth to wipe the surface clean. Be sure to wipe away any excess cleaner. Repeat this process on any other painted surfaces in the room. If this fails to remove the smell, do this. Use odor absorbers. There are several household items that can be used as odor absorbers, including activated charcoal, baking soda, and coffee grounds. These items work by absorbing the odors from the air, which can help reduce the concentration of the paint fumes in the room. To use this method, place bowls of your preferred odor absorber around the room. Ensure you place them in areas where the smell of the paint is most concentrated, such as near the source of the paint or in corners of the room. Leave the bowls in the room for a few days. The odor absorbers will absorb the paint fumes from the air. After a few days, replace the odor absorber in the bowls with fresh ones. Continue to replace the bowls every few days until the smell of the paint has dissipated. You can also sprinkle baking soda on carpets or upholstery to absorb any lingering odors. After leaving it on the surface for at least 30 minutes, vacuum it up using a vacuum cleaner. Here's another method you can try. Use essential oils. Essential oils are a great way to add a pleasant scent to a room and mask any unpleasant smells like the lingering scent of spray paint. Choose your favorite essential oils to use in your spray bottle. Lemon, lavender, and peppermint are great options for freshening up a room and masking the scent of spray paint. Fill a spray bottle with water. You can use tap water or distilled water if you prefer. Add a few drops of your chosen essential oil to the spray bottle. The number of drops you use will depend on the size of your spray bottle and how strong you want the scent to be. Replace the spray bottle cap and shake the bottle gently to mix the water and essential oil. Spray the mixture in the air around the room. Be sure to cover all areas of the room, including corners and high-traffic areas. Allow the mist to settle in the room for several minutes to freshen up the air. You can also use essential oils in other ways to help eliminate the smell of spray paint. For example, you can add a few drops of essential oil to a bowl of baking soda and place it in the room to absorb odors. You can also add essential oils to a diffuser to help distribute the scent throughout the room. You can also try this. Use an ozone generator. If you're dealing with a strong spray paint smell that you can't seem to get rid of, using an ozone generator can be an effective solution. An ozone generator works by producing ozone gas, which helps to neutralize and eliminate odors. Ozone generators come in various sizes and strengths. So, choose one that's appropriate for the size of the room or item you're treating. Before using the ozone generator, prepare the room by removing everyone, pets, or plants from the space. Ozone gas can be harmful to living things, so it's important to keep the room empty while the generator is running. Furthermore, cover any items that may be sensitive to ozone gas, such as electronics or leather furniture. Once the room is prepared, turn on the ozone generator and set the timer for the appropriate amount of time. It's recommended to run the generator for at least 4 to 6 hours, but you may need to run it longer depending on the severity of the paint smell. After the generator has run its course, turn it off and open windows and doors to ventilate the room. It's important to give the room plenty of fresh air to help remove any remaining ozone gas. When using an ozone generator, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully for safety reasons. In addition, don't use an ozone generator in humid or damp environments, as this can produce harmful byproducts. If the smell is particularly strong or persistent, consider calling a professional cleaning service or restoration company to help eliminate the smell. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.